My name's Mansey from Cassidian, and we're here at the exhibition looking at the Sensors and Electronic Warfare system from MILD, which is the missile detection system. And this is fitted onto military aircraft for fighter and rotary wing. And here in India we've worked with the DRDO to get the system operational and accepted into Indian programs. And we work with a local partner for the production of these systems here in India. And the MILD system has also been selected on one of the helicopter platforms here in India. So from that aspect it's been quite a success. And again, for anybody who's operating rotary wing or fixed wing military platforms, self-protection is one of the key aspects for both the platform and obviously the crew. And so here we're demonstrating or exhibiting for our customers this initiative.